Hey Morgan, hopefully you can hear this amongst all the noise in the background, but for 16 and 17, you're just looking at it as far as those percentages go. Let's say, just as an example, you took a quiz and that quiz was worth 20 points. If I told you that, let's say, 50% of the points earned on that quiz were from, questions on manometers, right? How many points out of that 20 would be on manometers, right? So if it's a 20-point quiz and 50% of the points are from manometers, then you would say, well, out of those 20 points, I'd multiply it by the decimal form of 50%, and I would say, okay, well, 10 points on the quiz are earned from manometers. But the same thing happens with 16 and 17 for those partial pressures. If you have, for 16, if you have 762 millimeters of mercury, if 78% of all of this pressure comes from nitrogen, then you would just take your 762, multiply it by the decimal form of that percentage, and whatever your answer is, right, to using correct sig figs, so you'd want to use 2 sig figs, then that answer is the percent, or is how many millimeters of mercury you have of nitrogen gas. Hopefully that makes sense.